So we are going to the market. Cooking class. You were just saying this is the biggest
A wholesale market.
Yeah. And all the spices here?
4 5 different types of lentils, okay? So most of them are coming from the whole grains. When they are splitted, then only it is easier to cook, and it is known as dal.
Oh,
Dal
yes.
fry, dal makhni.
Yeah.
Dal makhni is done with this lentils.
Ah, where's dal fry? Because dal fry is my
is done
favorite.
with this one.
Ah,
You
okay,
can do
the
with these
thinnest-
two.
Okay.
This is the black dal from
Yes.
the black dal.
Yes, that is the dal makhni what you eat. Okay,
Dal
with
makhni,
this they
South
make.
India. With skin? Without skin?
So this is very important in South India because most of their idli and dosas are made with this lentil.
I love idli. Okay, yes.
And with this they make sambar, the aperitif which goes along with the idli and dosa. So these are used as plates.
Oh my
Beautiful.
god. Yes.
This is very very easy to fold it. Okay. So instead of plastic, they will use this as making a takeaway. So it looks like a camel.
Okay.
So it comes from a big forest. Plate can be put here, another leaf and 3 leaves together. Then they stitch it with sticks and they make a plate. Or it can be also machine made. They press it and it folds, and then within
they're beautiful.
20 rupees you get 40. 100 piece, 30 rupees only. It's easy, nice.
Yes.
Oh yes, very, very, very nice. Coriander, the base of this spice is coriander. Look at the chili.
Best way to do dishes.
No cleaning up.
Yes, please, yeah. Oh my gosh, awesome. We're gonna have carrots halwa for dessert. Okay. Oh, peanut. Coconut milk. Ah.
Garlic and tamarind.
Oh, so that's tamarind right there.
White flour, put about quarter kilo of this. We make a well, about 2 cups, 250 grams. And then we need to add baking powder
Baking powder,
and salt.
quarter teaspoon,
Yes.
1 full teaspoon.
Yeah. 1 tablespoon of sugar. So about 50 ml of yogurt I'm going to add. Just do like that, so that you can feel the moisture inside. Yes. This is sour curd I have taken. Okay.
Sour curd?
So you can dip your finger and see. The more sour it is, it's going to be
The better? Oh wow.
Sour curd.
Is
that's
that, does
important.
that have lemon in there?
No, it's natural.
Just
Okay, now mix.
How warm is the water? Is it?
Pretty warm.
Like,
It was
I was-
like not
Not hot,
not
but
boiling.
just I put it in the gas for just not even 1 minute, 15 seconds. So this has to be a soft dough. Okay, mix.
A little bit of water.
So now hold your hand is like that. So hold one hand here and then you give a box. Turn.
Yeah,
You
you
give a, yes, you do it. Good. That's it. Okay. So
Nice.
now we keep it for rest for 4 hours with little bit of oil, around sunflower oil. Okay. That's it. See, now touch how soft it is.
Oh, that's how it should be. Beautiful.
Now cover it. Keep it for rest.
Put a bit of
Water, just water.
You are going to put all those veggies.
all in there. Okay. Ready? Okay, let's do it.
Yes, put it.
Okay.
Put 3 times the water.
Okay.
2 times is the water for rice.
Yes.
3 times is for
For
dal.
lentil.
This much of salt. Okay.
Okay.
And same amount of turmeric goes in. So once the
Okay.
tamarind is soaked enough, then we are going to add. Not
Right.
now.
Okay. So this is
The rice will be basmati rice.
basmati.
Basmati and lentils. Halwa can be done with lot of different things. So today we are using the carrot, milk and cardamom. Then we have dry fruits. We have clarified butter. We have sugar, brown sugar. Half a liter of milk. We are not going to use half of milk. We are going to use only 300 ml of milk. 50 grams, 50 ml of milk extra. When it gets cooked together, it evaporates also a little bit.
Okay.
So 1/4 will do. Okay, enough for that much to flavor it. Okay. So you are going to tap it to open it. Okay. Yes. Open. Okay. So it has opened. The grains are good. So tap once or twice more. Yes, that's it. See? Okay.
Smells so delicious. I love it.
Yeah.
I love
So
cardamom.
Indian sweets are always flavored with cardamom.
Cardamom, always,
Okay?
yeah, yeah.
So we have cardamom here. So we are waiting for the milk to come up.
And then you add all the carrots. Carrot, pumpkin, or beetroot, and
Yes.
you can layer them.
Should I stir it?
Yes, stir it.
Okay.
So time to time you have to stir it.
Put some spices in the masala chai.
We have
Curry leaves?
No, this is mint leaves.
Oh, mint leaves.
Mint leaf ginger.
This is special.
You can put bay leaves also. We are using always brown sugar.
Oh, it smells amazing.
See, exactly.
Wow. It's good. Hey, yeah.
like the best experience of my life. I can also be because of these guys. We've got curry leaves for the cabbage.
The spice which we are going to use in the oil. Okay? So we have mustard, black mustard. We have split chickpeas to give you the crunch in the cabbage. Okay? So we are going to put about 3 spoons of this chickpea and 1 spoon of black mustard. When the oil is very hot, we are going to add the black
Sunflower
mustard.
oil.
Okay? Take your curry leaves now. Put and go back.
Oh yeah. Step back.
Once the onions are cooked, we are going to use only turmeric. Okay, nothing else.
Okay.
Just small amount of turmeric and this. And then I'm adding all the cabbage present.
And reduce the flame.
Okay. Okay.
Finishing the cabbage.
Cabbage.
With a bit of
Gorgeous.
That's it. And then goes the coconut.
That's a grated coconut, hand grated.
Yeah.
That's it for the cabbage.
Powder. So this is
it's like
a powder.
chili.
Yes, it is coriander, chickpeas, and fenugreek, and asafoetida. Okay. Add 1 full teaspoon here.
Yep. No wonder it's got a beautiful flavor. Mustard seed on the ghee.
Yes.
Add it. Go
Yes.
for it.
Yes. Show me your hand.
You ready?
Oh my god. That was the secret ingredient in the dal, the tamarind.
Yeah.
The tamarind is.
That's it.
That's that.
Okay.
Take this out. Water side down.
Water side down.
Yeah, water
Okay.
side down.
You should eat hot.
Should, yeah.
Thank you.
So this is now done, and turn it upside down. Okay. That's it.
Oh, good. I thought you had to have a special oven.
Oven.
Oh, look how he puffed up. Very nice.
Okay, and then the next one.
All right. It's puffed up now.
Okay,
Okay,
here
let's
we
do
go.
it.
So it's kind of sticking, but
Oops. Oh, it didn't really stick. Oh, it's beautifully done though, honey.
Really nice. The crust is really nice.
Isn't it? Yeah. Ta-da. Okay. That's it. Oh, voila.
It's amazing. And
This is our carrot haga.
yeah, I actually think I would eat this for dinner. Just make a giant pie.